Yep.
The fences are gone. Like,
Over here too.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
And here.
Look at the house.
Wow.
The house is just wrecked.
I'm gonna turn around. I'm gonna turn around. Wow. Cars are all smashed in.
Oh my god. What the fuck is going on? Holy shit.
My God, no way. Yeah, my truck got fucking hit too. I don't know how I can go fucking fly.
Yo, look at this place. Look at this car. Got damage. Look at this pickup truck. 2 of them rolled over. There's a SUV thrown into the ditch. It's crazy down here. This is a new building site in Barrie, Mapleview and Junk.
At 2:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday, Environment Canada has updated a tornado warning for the Golden Horseshoe area, Ontario. Extra care and attention should be exercised. The following localities are included in the warning: York Region, Innisfil, New Tecumseh, Angus and Durham Region. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a severe thunderstorm that is possibly producing a tornado. Damaging winds, large hail and locally intense rainfall are also possible. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches. Please consult local media for more information.